Having an additional remote control for your garage door can make life much easier. Here's how to program an ATA remote control to use with your existing ATA ShedMaster garage door operator in easy steps. Nominate which channel button you wish to use on this additional remote control. This can be any button on the remote control. We will need this for the coding process. Programming the remote control into ShedMaster. Locate the Door Code button on the ShedMaster control panel. Note, this is located on the underside of the unit. Press and hold the Door Code button. While the Door Code button is held down, press and hold the button for 2 seconds. Release for 2 seconds. Press and hold the button again for 2 seconds. Release the Door Code button. The process is complete. All other settings and features can be found in the installation instructions. ATA, smart, simple, secure.